This is called the
Exact Instructions Challenge.
The Exact Instructions Challenge, which means that these girls are going to give me some pages of something that they've written for me to do, and I'm supposed to follow those instructions exactly as they've written them.
So, his instructions are to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
A peanut butter and jelly sandwich seems pretty straightforward. But if I was the sort of person who had never made a peanut butter and jelly sandwich before, maybe these instructions might confuse me a little bit. So let's find out how this goes. So
we decided I will go first.
Lena's gonna go first?
Yes, and so here's my instructions.
Okay, so how to make a sandwich. Get a plate. Okay. Okay, at a plate, put it face up. Now, that's gonna have to just be like that for right now. Get the bread and untwist the bread. Okay.
Oh, he's got the plate wrong and he's gonna get the bread wrong.
Okay, so I'm gonna untwist the bread. Is that untwist the bread like this? I mean, is that what I'm supposed to do?
No.
Untwist. I can't figure this out. Okay, so untwist the bread. Okay. Take out 2 pieces of bread.
Oh, that could be hard.
Okay.
Oh no.
Take out 2 pieces of bread. 2. Okay. Mom's gonna love that I just ripped a hole in the bag. Don't tell her. Get the peanut butter, jam, and knife. Okay.
I know what he's gonna do with the nice part.
Peanut butter. Okay, peanut butter.
Which knife you got?
Peanut butter, jam, and knife. All right. Move this off to the side here for a second. Let's see. Put the knife in the jar. Oh, sorry. Take the lids off the jam and peanut butter. Pretty good instructions there. Is this like brand new peanut butter?
Oh no, 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 no.
What? Wait, does this count as a lid?
Yes,
Does this count as a lid?
yes.
Oh.
But you have to get it off a certain way.
Okay, I'll take the lid off. Okay. Let's see where I'm at. Okay, put the knife in the jar. Get some peanut butter on it. Okay, get some peanut butter on the knife.
Oh my gosh! Oh no! Ew!
Okay. Spread the peanut butter. Put the F knife in the F knife. So, put the F knife.
I was trying to spell it.
Oh, okay. Okay. Put the knife in the G jam. The jam. Okay. Put the knife in the jam. Okay, we're back to step. Okay. Get some jam on the knife. How'd you get jam on this knife? Okay. Get some jam on the knife. Spread. Let's see. Oh, spread the jam.
No. the paper, not you.
On the other, oh wait, no, spread the jam on the other piece of the bread.
Yeah.
I didn't read the instructions all the way. Spread the jam on the other piece of the bread. Okay, I'm gonna go back to that step then. Spread the jam on the other piece of the bread. Now, I don't know which one is the other piece of the bread, but I'll do spread the jam. I don't think mom's very excited about what's going on here.
When he said spread the peanut butter, and he spread it on the table
On the other piece of the bread. Put the two pieces of bread together and eat it. Not too bad. Kind of a jam sandwich, not a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. All right. So
My turn.
round two. This is Libby's turn. She's gonna give me her instructions, and she spent plenty of time on this. So
Yes.
untwist the twisty tie and untwist the part that's still twisted.
No.
Oh, sorry. Okay, there you go. Get out the bread. Okay. Bread. Okay. Get out the bread. Untwist the twisty tie and untwist the part that's still twisted up. Okay. I assume that's what that means?
Yep.
Okay. Grab the pieces of bread and lay the two pieces of bread down on the table. Grab 2 pieces of bread and lay the 2 pieces of bread down on the table. So far, so good?
Mm-hmm.
Get the peanut butter and open the lid. Okay. All right, peanut butter, open the lid. Get a butter knife out of the drawer. This is going pretty well so far. Okay, got a butter knife, got bread, got peanut butter. Let's see. Get some Penote butter out of the jar. Penote, is that what that is? Penote?
Peanut.
Peanut butter out of the jar and spread some on the piece of bread.
Spread some on the piece of bread.
There we go. Get some jelly out and spread some on the bread with the peanut butter on it. Okay.
Wait.
Where's the jelly? Here it is. Okay. Okay. Let me see. So make sure I say this. Oh, no. Okay. So get out the jelly and open the lid. I missed that part.
Yeah.
Get out the jelly, open the lid. Get some jelly out and spread some on the bread with the peanut butter on it.
Oh no.
Okay. Put the 2 pieces of bread together. And that's it. So that's how we make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
Kind of.
Yeah?
It was going really good. Kind of.
You were doing pretty good right up until get the jelly out.
Yeah.
So should I eat? Is that the next step?
Nope.
Oh, what's the next step?
I don't know. That would taste better than.
You know what? I'm gonna start making my peanut butter jelly sandwiches just like this from now on. All right. See you later, everybody.